One of the amazing things you could do with JavaScript is create elements in your browser from scratch. So you can use JavaScript to actually create your entire website if you wanted to. You can just write it all in JavaScript and then just have it display in HTML with actually no HTML being written on the index.html page. So the first thing I want to do is I want to show you how you can create a simple div with just 3 lines of JavaScript. So just going to our index.html page real quick, we see that we have an ID on the body of add here. We have a script linking our main.js to the index page. And we're just going to come in here and create a new div element when the page is created. So the first step is to create a variable. It's going to call it new div equal to document.createElement. And that will be a div. And whatever you write in here, it's actually the element. So if it's li, write li or ul or h1 or whatever it is. Write the name of that element that you're going to be creating. This next line, we actually need to reference that body tag so we have something to attach it to. So we can do var add here equals document.getElement by ID, which we've seen many times at this point. Add here, right? And add here is referencing the body tag. Okay, so we have 2 variables. One variable stores the value of creating a div. The second one stores the value, which is actually the body. So it's actually saying add here is actually the body tag. Okay, and the last line we need is add here dot append child new div. What this is saying is on the body, so remember add here is representing the body, I want you to attach a new div element to it. All right, it's a little confusing at first. Just practice this, walk through this, try to go through and do like H1s and spans and whatever else you want before you can actually move on to the next exercise, because I really want you to understand how this actually breaks down and works. So let's actually test this out real quick too, just to show you how it's working. So on this page, as you can see, there's nothing besides the body tag and the script. When we pull up our browser, refresh, inspect element, look at the elements, drop down the body, and there's a div that does not exist in our index.html page, but is created using JavaScript. So what I want you to do is do this again, but do it with different types of elements. Attach it to something other than the body. Attach it to a new div that you give an ID to. That's fine as well. Go ahead and practice this until you're really comfortable with the way that it is syntactically written, so you can actually do it on command without having to come back here and watch this video over and over again.